Get it any day of the week. Lady in the street, freak in the sheets. Hey, you're my woman crush every day. Hey, you're my woman crush every day. Yeah, you can get it any day of the week. Lady in the street, freak.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this hot pink smoky eye. It's a recreation slash inspired by Milk1422 on Instagram. This look is like a hot pink smoky eye with a purple lip. So this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's really dramatic, and I posted this pink smoky eye on my Instagram, and a lot of you wanted to see it, so you do not have to do this lip, but I thought it'd be fun to just mix it up a little bit. Really good time recreating this look. If you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to start off with our eyes. I already have my base done. We'll go in and add some bronzer, blush, and highlight after we're done the eyes. Today we're going to be doing a pink smoky eye. I posted this on my Instagram and everyone really wanted to see a tutorial. Not one person said no, so I'm down with that. I actually got this look, and like this look was inspired by Milk1422 on Instagram. Hopefully you can see it. It's like hot pink smoky eye with like a purple lip. So that's what you're gonna do today. You can do a nude lip, which is like what I did when I posted it on Instagram. I used Candy K by Kylie Cosmetics. But I think we're gonna make a little editorial today. So first things first, I'm gonna start off going in with ColourPop Soft Core Single Eyeshadow and a fluffy brush, and we're gonna pop this into the crease. And really, like, don't worry about being super neat, because it's just the transition color. The one thing I really love about editorial looks is that they're so crazy but so cool, so you really don't have to worry that much about being super neat. Okay, so we have the transition color done. Now I'm going in with my Sephora Pro Editorial palette. I love this palette. If you can't tell, it's in like quite a few of my videos now. It's so good. So I'm gonna pick up this hot pink shade right here. It's so good. There is fallout, as you would expect with any other really pigmented neon colored eyeshadow, but the pigment is there, which is good. I hate when eyeshadows are super powdery but there's no pigment. You're like, what? So I'm gonna go in with the Vintage Cosmetic brush. I got this in one of my BoxyCharms. So I'm gonna go in with that, tap off the excess, and start packing that on the lid. I told you. Okay, so that's on now, and to blend it a little better with the crease and kind of smoke it out, I'm going to go with this pencil brush. I really like using this pencil brush for this because we're not using a lot of colors, and it's really easy for me to keep this color where I want it to go. So I'm going to start with lightly putting it through my crease, blending it in with our transition color.
So tell me what your name and what your sign is. Not really in a horoscope, but hoping we aligning. Might have to call you China, you the finest. Got two nickels, you the diamonds. Hey.
So if you guys like the talk throughs better than the voiceovers, let me know. Because sometimes I like voiceovers, sometimes I like talking, It's either I don't talk enough or I talk too much, and then it's like, whoo! Back in with the flat shader brush and packing on more of the pink. Okay, so going back in with the pencil brush, I'm gonna mix our transition shade as well as the hot pink, also underneath my lash line.
You look finer than the girls up on the runway. Hit up the airport, let's get it one way. Don't know how, but you got me feeling some way. Yeah, you my woman crush. I'll take you out on the...
Next, I'm gonna take Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Valentine. I'm gonna put that in the waterline.
And let me set it straight. When I see you like Kendrick says, you know I levitate. Yeah, and let me demonstrate.
For my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Alchemist palette. I'm gonna use the pink shade. Next, I'm gonna go in with mascara and eyelashes, and the eyelashes I'm using today are by Modeste Lashes, and they are in the style Flirt. These are super long and like wispy. They're gorgeous. I also have a coupon code for these lashes. It's modestelashes.com, and you can use the code Alyssa10 to get 10% off your next purchase. These lashes are really nice. I love how long they are. They're so dramatic. Like me. Okay, so we're gonna go to bronzer and highlight and blush now. I'm gonna be using my KAW Beauty contour kit as always. I'm gonna just bronze up my face. Why do I say things so weirdly?
No pressure, but we better together. And you my treasure, and I think that we could last forever. And you smart like a professor, and you hot without a sweater, and you got my head spinning round and round, propeller. Yeah.
If you want an in-depth tutorial on how I contour and highlight, I have a video that I will link down below in the description box, as well as if you want to see how I apply my eyelashes, I will also link that how-to video as well. For blush, I'm going to go in with this... Okay. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Tarte palette, and I'm going to take Exhilarating and pop that on my cheeks. For highlight, because this look is like really dramatic, I'm gonna go a little less on the highlight. I'm gonna go back in with my Alchemist palette, and I'm gonna take the pink one again and just lightly highlight the tops of my cheeks. So for lips, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Current lip liner, and then going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Potion lipstick.
Other girls don't matter, I look better with you. You're my woman crush 20.
So to go with that editorial look that Milk Makeup did, he put like highlight on her lips, like a purpley highlight. So I'm gonna go back in with this palette by Kat Von D and take the purple one and like dab it on my lips. Okay guys, this is the final result. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Street freak in the sheets. Hey, you're my woman crush every day. Hey, you're my woman crush every day. Yeah, you can get it any day of the week. Lady in the street freak in the sheets. You're my woman crush every day. Hey, you're my woman crush every day.